steal the spotlight by myself. But yeah, it's great being out here, and yeah, definitely donate. I will myself, even though he said bands are not asked. But yeah, from Bradley Bennett and the fundraiser, good reason for us to be out here having fun, but then we can also do something for him. So.
I've been to Carolina, I went through Arizona on my way to Louisiana, and I never met a girl I love like I love you. So I ride these rails till the day I die, or till I got that girl back by my side. My good gal's gone, she ain't coming back. She left me here alone, just waiting by the railroad track. Such a long, long time, but the train don't come, the sun don't shine. I guess she's gone away for good.
Alright, so this is the last song. It's a sing-along. I'm hoping a few of you know. I mean,